Hey, Mr. Harridan here. I'm going to show you how to do the electronic configuration orbital diagram periodic table here. Now remember when we did this here, we said that there is, the energy levels here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, correct? That was the principal quantum number. And then we have the S group, which is just a sphere. We have the P group, which is 3 dumbbells. We had the D group, which is 5 clovers. That's an ugly clover. And then we had the F group, which is 7 starbursts, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Okay. So each one of these squares represents a particular electron. Okay, we're going to start off with the S group here, so we're going to do, this is 1s1, 1s2. Technically this one's supposed to be over here, but whatever. But chemically it acts like a noble gas, so they left it over there. This is 2s2, 2, nope, that's not. It's 2s1, 2s2, 3s1, 3s2, 4s1, 4s2, 5s1, 5s2, 6s1, 6s2, 7s1, 7s2. Okay, 2s1 right there. Okay, that is the S block. Notice that there only goes up to 2 electrons because you can only put 2 electrons in the one sphere. Next we're going to do the P block here. Okay, P block is over here. This is 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, 2p6. Okay, and you get 3p1, 3p2, 3p3, 3p4, 3p5, 3p6. Then you get 4p1, 4p2, 4p3, 4p4, 4p5, and 4p6. Then you have the 5p's, 1, 2, 3, 4. I should probably pause the video and fill this in, but am I? No. Might be the longest video ever, but that's okay. 6p1, 6p2, 6p3, 6p4, 6p5, and 6p6. 7p1, 7p2, 7p3, 7p4, 7p5, and 7p6. Okay, so that's the P block there. Okay, then we get to the weird one here. We're going to start to do weird things here. We're doing D's next. Okay, D's. Okay, I know this is in period 4 over here, right? But really, this is actually 3D1. Okay, periodic table is arranged by atomic number, not by quantum number. So this is 3D2, 3D3, 3D4, 3D5, 3D6, 3D7, 3D8, 3D9, 3D10. This one's 4D1, 4D2, and yes, I am filling in each one of these blocks, and so should you. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 4010. 5D1, 5D2, 5D3, 5D4, 5D5, 5D6, 5D7, 5D8, 5D9, and 5D10. 61, 62, 63. I understand why it took me a while to redo this video. I understand why been using the same video for 20 years now on this one. And I've never redone it. Till today, when I just decided, let's just redo it. Just for fun. Just for you, class of 2020. You know. Okay, then we get down to the F block here. The F block starts at 4. So this is 4F1, 4F2, 4F3, 4F4, 4F5, 4F6, 4F7, 4F8, 4F9, 4F10, 4F11, 4F12, 4F13, and 4F14. 5F1, 5F2, 5F3, 5F4, 5F5, 5F6, 5F7, 5F8, 5F9, 5F10, 5F11, 5F12, 5F13, and 5F14. Okay. There's our periodic table. Okay, so remember S's, there's only one orbital, that's why there's only 2 blocks in here. P's, there's 3 dumbbells, so that's why there's 3 times 2 is 6, so that's why it's 2, 4, 6. D's, there's 5, each one of these can hold 2, so that's why it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to go across. And F's, there's 7 orbitals, each one can hold 2, and that's why there's 14. Okay, now, the important groups. Okay, maybe I should find a, well, I'll use this. Okay, alkaline earth metals, right here. These are what I call the filled sublevels here. Noble gases, zinc group, and I don't even know what this one is, but those are the 4 important ones here. Okay, you are going to follow this like a paragraph. Okay, you do not write down every orbital. Okay, you do not write down 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, you know, 2, no. Okay, you write down all the filled orbitals and then one possibly unfilled orbital. Okay, so here we go. We are going to do the electron configuration for cobalt. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it somewhere where you can see the periodic table in cobalt. Okay, cobalt is CO. Okay, cobalt is, I don't know if you can hear me, but cobalt is element number 27. Okay, which is this block right here is cobalt. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to start at the top. We have to start with the first filled orbital that we come across, which is the 1s2, and then we go to the next filled orbital. After we do element 2, we have to do element number 4, 2s2, and my face is probably covering it. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm trying my best. Then we go to the next filled orbital, which is 2p6. You have to do element number 10 next. Then you have to do element number 12, which is magnesium, 3s2. Then you have to do the next one, which is element number 18, which is argon, 3p6. Then you do the next one, which is 20, 4s2. Okay? The goal is to try to get to 27. Now I could go to 3d10, but that is 30. I don't want to go to 3d10, so we're going to stop at 3d7 because that's the block that cobalt is in. 3d7. So here's the song. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 is 3s2 and 3p6, and then comes the 4s2, then the weird one, 3d7. 27 for cobalt. Okay, that's my song, just so you know. Okay, so that is the electron configuration for cobalt. Okay, and we'll do a couple more so you understand in the future videos on how to do it. Okay, now notice that is the electron configuration here. That is question 3.10a. So this answer is supposed to go down here. Okay, now we're going to do the orbital notation. Okay, the orbital notation indicates the spins of the electrons, right? This is where we do arrow up, arrow down. Okay, we are going to have, for cobalt, 27 arrows. Why are we going to have 27 arrows? Because there is 27 electrons in cobalt. Okay? So here's how we do this. We start off with our 1s2. We go arrow up, arrow down. And I draw half arrows because they represent half spins. Then we go to 2s2. Arrow up, arrow down. We've only done 4 electrons. Then we do the 2p. Now notice how I do the 2p here. You have to do up, 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 down, down, down. Okay? Then you have to go up, down. Up, 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 down, down, down. That's 18. Up, down. And this is where it becomes important, that up-down thing here. That's the last one. You have to go up, 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 down, down. Because you have to follow Hund's rule. You have to do your singles before you do doubles. Okay? So that is the orbital notation for cobalt. Okay? Okay. What is the highest energy amount of electrons in cobalt? These are always the last ones written, which is 3d7. What are the outermost electrons? Okay? These are always S, sometimes P. Okay, for neutral atoms. So this one is going to be 4s2. Let me give you a little explanation on that. Ready? Okay. This is a Bohr diagram. I do not draw Bohr diagrams except for this one example here. Here's my nucleus of the atom, right? Okay. Energy level 1, energy level 2, energy level 3, energy level 4. Energy level 1 has 1s2. Energy level 2 has 2s2, 2p6. Energy level 3, 3s2, 3p6. Energy level 4, 4s2. And then 3d7 is actually on energy level 3, 3d7. So you can see the outermost electrons right here is the 4s2. Okay? It always has the highest principal quantum number. And then how many valence electrons are there? There are 2 valence electrons. Okay. You guys are champions. The legend is out.